We're going to simplify this complex fraction by using the LCD method. For the LCD method, we first figure out what is the LCD of all of the denominators in the problem. And here the LCD is going to be, and remember you need to take every separate factor that's in a denominator the most number of times that it appears in any one denominator. So we need a 4, we need a y, and we also need y minus 3. Now only take the y minus 3 once, even though it appears in two different denominators, because we want each factor the most times it appears in any one denominator. Now we're going to take the LCD and multiply the top and bottom of our complex fraction by this LCD. So we multiply the top times 4y, y minus 3, and we multiply the bottom 4y, y minus 3. And when we do that, that means that the LCD distributes to each term, top and bottom. And that gives us 4y times y minus 3 times this first term in the top, 1 over y minus 3. And then we have, again, the LCD distributing to the 7 over y. So we have plus 4y, y minus 3 times 7 over y. And that's all over the LCD, again, distributing on the bottom. So we get 4y times y minus 3 times 5 over 4 minus 4y times y minus 3 times 1 over y minus 3. And now we want to do some canceling. We want to divide out common factors. On this first one, we can divide out y minus 3 top and bottom. And here we can divide out a y. On the bottom left, we can do a 4. And on the right term here, we can do y minus 3. And let's write what we have left now. We have 4y. And this all divided out to 1. Plus 4 times y minus 3 times 7. So let's do 4 times 7 is 28. And bring down y minus 3. And it's really important that it's in parentheses, because we don't want to just do 28 times y. We want to do 28 times the entire factor, y minus 3. And that's over. And on the bottom, we're left with 5y times y minus 3. Again, parentheses are very important around the y minus 3. And then minus 4y, and that's it, because it's divided out to 1. So minus 4y. And now we want to simplify what we have. So we have 4y plus 28y minus 84 all over 5y times y minus 3, which would be 5y squared, minus 15y, and bring down the minus 4y. And then combining like terms, we get 4y plus 28y is 32y, minus 84 over 5y squared minus 19y. And we would try to simplify this further if we could, put it in lowest terms, which would be factor, divide out common factors. But there are no common factors here. You can try factoring it out, but there's nothing else to do to simplify this. So that's the final answer.